Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. I am Owen Overstreet, and today we will learn about the wonderful world of email marketing. Get ready to embark on a hilarious and enlightening journey where building an email list and implementing email marketing campaigns will be your secret weapons for lead nurturing and driving conversions. Picture this: you've got a fantastic product or service to offer, but how on earth do you let the world know about it? Enter email marketing, the modern-day magic spell that turns leads into customers. Building an email list, a delightful process akin to constructing a sandcastle on the beach. You gather your tools, meticulously planning your masterpiece. First, we have the trusty opt-in form, like a bouncer at the club, making sure only the worthy souls gain entry. "Give me your email, good sir," it says. And lo and behold, they do. But wait, we need a compelling reason for people to join our list. A fabulous freebie, like a donut at a diet convention or a kitten video compilation. Who can resist? Now that we have our list, it's time for the grand performance, the email marketing campaign. This is where we weave our spell and nurture those leads. Imagine your email as a comedic stand-up routine. The subject line is your opening joke, designed to catch their attention. "Hey, did you hear about the email that walked into a bar?" It's irresistible, isn't it? Then comes the body of the email, the main act. Here, you'll present your product or service in a way that's both informative and entertaining. Remember, nobody wants to be bored to tears by a long-winded sales pitch. Keep it light, keep it fun. And now, for the grand finale, the conversion. This is where the magic happens. You've built a relationship with your audience, entertained them, and gained their trust. It's time to nudge them towards that glorious action you desire: a sale, a subscription, or maybe just a high five. Make it irresistible, like a 50% discount or a limited time offer. And there you have it. A successful email marketing campaign that'll leave your audience in awe and you with a pocket full of conversions. So, my dear friends, the next time you're wondering how to connect with your audience, remember the magical powers of email marketing. Build that email list, craft entertaining campaigns, and watch the conversions roll in. With our online business app software, we have built-in email functionality. Until next time, this is the email marketing magician signing off. Abracadabra and cha-ching. Please check out the links in the description below, comment, like and subscribe. You will be happy you did.